We're looking at Class D airspace. Previously in the videos below the like button, we've gone over C, B. We're also going to go over E next, but that's for the next video. So for Class D airspace, let's take a look at the airspace profile provided to us by the FAA. So Class D airspace, or Class Delta airspace, is generally from the surface up to 2,500 feet MSL, which is mean sea level. And like Class C and B, Class D has an operational control tower. This is important because at night, when the control tower is not operational, it could possibly turn into a Class E or G airspace. That's just something to note. It can be either E or G, but when we do have a control tower operational, it's going to be a Class Delta airspace, and the same thing applies for Class Charlie, Class Bravo. And like Class Bravo and Class Charlie, when you're operating in Class Delta, you first need authorization from the ATC to do so. We're going to keep going through the FAA guidebook. Those videos will be in the description below the like button. It'll be in the playlist too to help you study for your Part 107.